All right, folks, slight catastrophe here. Nobody got hurt, but look what happened here. This engine just tipped when we rotated it to paint it. It hit the floor pretty hard. We hope we haven't damaged anything. Hopefully heads are okay. I'm seeing a piece already right there. Really? Good God. All right. Well, we're going to have to get the hoist out. We're going to have to lift this puppy up and see what the hell's going on. What is that? What do you think that is? Well, it looks cast iron. I don't know. Hell. And, of course, paint in the valve train. Oh, man. My God. All right, okay. Well, we're going to stop filming. We're going to clean this up and see what's going on.
Three-wheeled engine stands can be perfectly acceptable when they're used for smaller, lighter engines. In fact, we've used them for years, even on big block builds, and never had an issue. Until now. After this incident, we won't be using three-wheeled stands anymore. We since replaced it with a four-wheeled engine stand, which offers significantly better stability and balance, and it's rated for up to 1,300 pounds. Check the link in the description, or just scan the code on your screen if you're watching on a big screen and head straight to the product. If you choose to purchase one using our link, we earn a small commission at no cost to you, and that support is genuinely appreciated, especially since this engine fall set the project back. We're sharing this with you because it's an important safety lesson. This engine falling was a major setback, but it could have been much worse. If we'd been standing next to it, with our backs turned, we might not have seen it fall, and someone could have been seriously hurt. Always stay aware and use the right equipment. When you're working with heavy engines, there's no margin for error. Follow our Riviera Revival Series to see how we recover, and please, stay safe.